In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check followers on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast, an investor, or just curious about how popular certain projects are, keeping track of followers on CoinMarketCap is a useful skill. So let's get started, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, open a web browser of your choice and go directly to the CoinMarketCap website. You can do this by typing coinmarketcap.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the homepage, which is packed with information about various cryptocurrencies, their current market values, and trends. It might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We're going to focus on just one part of this rich tableau. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you will see an icon that resembles a profile or user icon. This is where you'll need to click to proceed. The icon signifies the personal profile area for your CoinMarketCap account. Clicking on it will direct you to the login page if you're not already logged in. Make sure you are logged into your account, as this is essential for checking your follow details. After successfully logging in, click the profile icon again. Once you're into your profile, you will see multiple options related to your account and preferences. What you want to do next is locate the followers section. This might take a second look as profiles contain lots of information. Typically, the followers option is straightforward to find, but in case you need assistance, it often sits beside other sections like following and settings. Click on the followers section. At this point, you'll gain access to the list of people or accounts following you on CoinMarketCap. This list displays followers who are interested in your activity or crypto portfolio. It's a valuable feature for anyone who interacts frequently on the platform since it can offer insights into your engagement with the community. And there you have it. You've now learned how to check your followers on CoinMarketCap. Following these steps not only allows you to manage your own flow of information better, but also lets you see who finds your activity interesting. If you encounter any hurdles along the way, remember that revisiting each step methodically can usually help solve any problems. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. If so, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any further questions or need additional tips, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring on CoinMarketCap.